Check this out, guys. We just got in some of the new agency pistols. They are fully stippled. This one is the Ronin edition, fully customized. Awesome. If you gotta ask how much they are, you're too broke. Next up, you got another one all stippled up, accelerator cuts and gas pedals. Look at the milling on that. Beautiful, beautiful. And another one, this was traditionally a 19X that was Cerakoted and stippled. Super aggressive stippling, anodized screws. I mean, spared no expense, guys. So if you want to come check some of these out, you can check out our arms list, Triple T Guns, or you can come into the shop and check it out in person. So thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you soon.